Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for the CTV USA, and here are the major headlines. Hoping for a little time with family and friends this Easter weekend, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says go for it if everyone has been fully vaccinated. Health experts say it's just too soon to let your guard down, especially as COVID 19 variants continue to spread. Around the country, COVID 19 cases caused by variants are on the rise, just as health experts have been predicting. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention says the variants of concerns right now include the one first identified in the UK, the one spotted in South Africa, and the one found in Brazil. Every state has reported at least one case of one of these variants, but the one from the UK is the most dominant right now, with more than 12,000 cases in the US so far. The spread of these variants is part of the reason an evaluation team now estimates more than 609,000 total US deaths from COVID 19 by July 1st if behaviors stay the same. Health experts say booster shots may be needed to target emerging variants, but the vaccines we already have do offer some protection. Indian cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar has been hospitalized days after testing positive for COVID 19. That's according to a post on his official Twitter account. Tendulkar said that he has been hospitalized as a matter of abundant precautions under medical advice. Last week, he announced that he had tested positive for the coronavirus and that his symptoms were mild. Australia will continue to roll out the AstraZeneca COVID 19 vaccine. According to an official statement, the country has reported one case of blood clot following the vaccination, and it's being investigated by the Department of Health. The government said that people can be confident that vaccines approved for use are safe and effective. Australia is currently using two COVID 19 vaccines, AstraZeneca and Pfizer. One person drove a car into the store in North Carolina. Fortunately, no injuries have been reported and all employees were evacuated safely. The driver is currently in custody. As you can see, there is heavy police presence as they investigate what happened. For now, the store will remain closed. Canada is facing another wave of COVID 19 cases. With that comes new restrictions. Leaders in Ontario are implementing an emergency brake starting this Saturday. Officials didn't call the latest restrictions a stay at home order. Instead, they are prohibiting indoor gatherings and limiting outdoor events to 5 persons maximum. There will be also limitations to grocery shopping and big box stores. Restaurants will only allow takeaway, drive-through, and delivery options. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.